You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 25/2. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 1/4 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2/1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 25/2.